he's crossing over 2 houses up at the end of my street, and he's gonna do his left turn again. Here he is going out behind the fireman's house now. Hey, what's up? Sorry, I'm doing this crap. There he is right there. Do you really?
Oh shit.
Oh, dude. Can you get a little bit ready soon?
You know, I have a better idea. You can get ready. Very capable.
So now he's in my backyard. Hey, Patrick.
What?
Stand here for a second. Do you see that plane? Tell me what color it is.
Red.
Red and what?
White.
Yeah, is that what's on the wings?
It's a fire plane. Fire.
It looks like a fire plane?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Your eyes have battery.
I couldn't tell. And so there he goes, turning over neighbor's house again, doing a U-turn. He's doing a circle right behind me. So this is the cover up for that event. And the tops of his wings, there's white on the top. I'm not sure if the whole bar is white, but so now he's straightening.